So what I'm going to be showing you right now is why VoLTE is a big deal and how it's faster than conventional networks, right? So we have a bunch of devices here. So we have the Xiaomi Mi 5, the iPhone 6s, the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge, the Live Water 1 and the Live Flame 1. So these are all, these three are on 4G LTE networks, and even these are on 4G LTE networks. But what is present on these three devices and not on these two devices is that the calling on the conventional 4G networks falls back to 2G or 3G, and I think in India it falls back to mainly 2G for calling. So, but on Reliance Jio, we have got access to that network, and you might have seen our other videos. The calling actually goes through the 4G network itself. It's through a technology called VoLTE or Voice over LTE. So, for the voice, the network, the phone doesn't have to fall back to 2G networks. It uses the same high-speed 4G network for the call. So, because of that, one, you save a lot of time in terms of connection time. I think even Xiaomi showed off this VoLTE feature when they announced, I think, Redmi Note 3 in India. So even the Redmi Note 3 we have here also supports 4G LTE networks, Geo with VoLTE networks. Even the Lenovo Vibe X3 also supports VoLTE networks. We have tried all those devices, but for this demo purpose, we're going to be showing you how faster is actually the call connection time. So for the demo, we'll be using first we're actually going to be calling from one live device to another live device just to make it easier for us to compare. So what we're going to do right now is call from this Mi 5 to probably the iPhone, and from this Reliance Live Water 1 to this Flame 1. So I'm going to be seeing, so first I'm going to be hitting the call button simultaneously on both these devices, and it's up to you to make out which one is kind of ringing first. I'm going to be hitting green on both. So you can see there was some lag on this UI of this device, so the call actually went a little later than on the Mi 5. Mi 5 actually had an unfair advantage, but still the call started ringing on this Flame 1 device quicker. So the connection time was pretty much instant. So we'll show it to you again independently. So let's stop this. Let's do it one more time, maybe give it a fair chance. So let's actually give it a fair chance again. So I want to hit that call button. See, it says a lag. See the ringing time, it's like pretty much instant, right? Whereas on this device, let's see, it takes 1, 2, the second is when it connects. Water 1 didn't do real justice, so let's do one more thing. We have an high-end device, the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge, with an unlocked SIM card on the Jio network. So that's also logged on to the VoLTE network here, as you can see on the symbol on the top. So what we're going to be doing is actually making a conventional call from the Mi 5 to the iPhone, and also a VoLTE call from the S7 Edge to the Flame 1. So let's hit go. So both are pretty much instant, and yeah, so the Flame 1 was first again. Let's try that one more time. This is getting funny. So I think even there was a lag on the S7 Edge as well, or maybe on the network this time. I'm not really sure. Things don't really work when you actually show a demo, so Moore's law. So okay, I think it got an unfair advantage. So let's actually try it one more time. So 1, 2, 3, go. So see that? It's just still not got the call. It's taken almost 3-4 seconds. Probably this is the best example, right? So of a call not coming through. So this was freaking instant, and this thing is like for taking 4-5 seconds for just a call to ring, right? And then you actually answer the call. And so VoLTE kind of makes it so much more easier for calling. So I'm going to be doing something cool now. So showing you how a video call would work on the Jio network. So I'm going to be answering this call, converting it to a video call. So let's see how we do it. So it's possible, I think, on 3G networks when BSNL 3G came out, but it wasn't as seamless as it is now. So there's a lot of there's a lot of noise coming in. So as you can see, I'm upside down because I'm holding the phone, and we're pretty much in the same room. But this can happen, say, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari or something, seamlessly, which is awesome. So the moment you are done with it, maybe I think you can even switch the camera, I guess. I'm not really sure if you can switch the camera. Yes, you can actually switch the camera as well. So that is cool. So which is interesting. So let's actually end this call now. And yeah, so that's possible even between a live device and a non-live device. So it's a network as such. So it works from a Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge to a Live Photo 1. So it's not restricted to the live device family, as some of you might have asked. So that's what VLT can do. So you can actually have faster connection times in terms of with audio calls, and also the audio quality is better. In Samsung, I did see something like HD message uh, when I actually made the call. So let me actually show that to you guys in a second. So as you can see, it says dialing HD. So this kind of HD voice. So that's part of VLT, and also the connection times were faster, the audio quality was better, and also you see that you can do video calls as well. So that's a quick demo of the VoLT functionality on the Reliance Jio network. You might have seen this outside India, but for the first time we can actually have it happen in India, and this is pretty cool, and we are so happy to actually bring this over to you guys. So it worked between a live device and an S7 Edge, between live devices, and it's going to be really crazy when actually the public rollout begins very soon. So do the like if you like this video, give a thumbs up button, and also do subscribe to our channel, Founder and I, if you've not done so already. Do follow us on Twitter and Facebook, and also on Instagram, and see you guys in the next video.